Ever wondered how concrete is poured perfectly at construction sites? You see it happening, the concrete mixer truck arrives, and within moments, a smooth gray layer spreads out, almost like magic. But oh, there's much more to this process than meets the eye. Welcome, curious minds, to a journey into the world of construction, where today we dive deep into the art of pouring concrete. The process begins with the arrival of the concrete mixer truck at the construction site. This beast of a machine is more than just a transport vehicle. It's a mobile mixing plant, keeping the concrete in a workable state as it travels from the batching plant to the site. Now, before the pour, the site must be prepped, a process that involves removing any debris, setting up forms to shape the concrete, and placing reinforcement bars or rebar to strengthen the mix. It's a meticulous process, and it's the foundation, pun intended, for everything that follows. Once the site is prepped and ready, the concrete mixer truck backs up to the site, positioning the chute over the area where the concrete is needed. This is a delicate dance, a careful alignment that requires precision and skill. Following this, the truck starts to pour. The concrete cascades down the chute, a waterfall of potential, ready to be shaped and formed. But the work is far from over. As the concrete pours, construction workers use tools like shovels, rakes, and tampers to spread and compact the mix. Remember, concrete doesn't stay workable forever. It begins to set as soon as it's mixed, so time is of the essence. The workers must ensure the concrete is spread evenly before it begins to harden, a race against the clock that demands speed and efficiency. After spreading comes the smoothing, a process known as screeding. Workers use a long, straight board to level the top of the concrete, removing excess and ensuring a flat, even surface. Finally, the concrete is left to cure, a process that can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the size of the project and the specific requirements of the concrete mix. During this time, the concrete hardens and gains its strength, transforming into the rock-solid foundation we rely on every day. So there you have it, the art of pouring concrete. From the arrival of the mixer truck to the curing of the concrete, it's a process that requires skill, precision, and a whole lot of hard work. To summarize, the concrete pouring process involves preparation of the site, positioning of the concrete mixer truck, pouring and spreading of the concrete, screeding to level the surface, and finally, the curing process. This intricate dance, when done right, results in the sturdy structures we see around us every day. So next time you see a concrete mixer truck pulling up at a construction site, remember, there's an art and a science to what's about to happen. And it's an art that's as fascinating as it is essential. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of construction. Until next time, stay curious.